Hi everybody, hope you're doing well. Welcome to the Thinking Crypto YouTube channel. My name is Tony. If you're new to the channel, hit that subscribe button. Also smash the like button. Happy New Year, guys. I wish you all a happy, healthy, and prosperous 2020. Hoping the crypto market really explodes in 2020. I'm certainly expecting some bullish movement, and I'm going to give you some facts. You know I'm about the facts, so I'm going to share my opinions and thoughts here. This is not financial or investment advice. So let's start off here, guys. We kind of know about this already. We've been talking a lot about it this year, but the Bitcoin halving is going to take place next year in May 2020, May 14th to be specific. And historically, when you zoom out on the charts, you see that the halving has resulted in increasing of price for Bitcoin. And we know the market currently moves with Bitcoin. So I'm expecting to see some price movement. Can I give you a specific date? No, because I can't predict the future. But looking at the performance and the data and the trends over time, that's what I'm expecting. If you look at this chart here, guys, we're going to be on the third Bitcoin halving next year in May. And we see here, I always tell you guys, zoom out, have perspective, right? Because if you're looking at the monthly and weekly cycles, you can really get discouraged and you don't see the bigger picture. And price is important, but looking at it from a weekly, monthly standpoint, it's not always healthy. It's important to zoom out and see where we came from and where we're going. So I certainly think the Bitcoin halving can be a catalyst to drive the prices up. We know the market moves with Bitcoin at the moment, and I'm holding Bitcoin, XRP, Ethereum. I personally diversify, so expecting to see my portfolio rise. And of course, Bitcoin hits a certain price point I'm happy with, I will cash out some there. Next, number two here is I believe we're in a bull market, contrary to what a lot of people are saying that we're in a bear market. Some people are like, oh, we came back to a bear market. I personally don't think so, because when you zoom out, once again, we bottomed in December 2018 to the low 3,000s, right? And we went back up to near 12 here, or 14, and we had some consolidation. And now we're sitting at 7,000 or above 7,000, moving sideways. So in bull markets, there can be consolidation, and I think we're in that consolidation phase. You got to remember to have a distinction between a bull market and a bull run. So the crypto market was in a bull market in 2017, and then you had a major bull run leading up around, I think it was October into December, right? And then subsequently a pullback and a crash into a bear market. Typical market cycle. It moves a lot faster here because crypto is very volatile, but I hope you guys understand that. So that's my number two. Number one, the Bitcoin halving. Number two, we're in a bull market, I personally believe. Number three, expect to see robust cryptocurrency regulations in the United States, which I believe will open the floodgates. We talked about on this channel the Cryptocurrency Act of 2020, which I believe is a very robust bill, covers all the bases: crypto securities, crypto commodities, crypto currencies, and it will highlight what the role is for the SEC, CFTC, and FinCEN. And it's a bill titled 2020. So I'm hoping it gets passed in 2020, or they're going to have to rename it, right? So I'm hoping, a lot of the different congressmen and women and so forth will get on board and get this thing going, because if this passes, I think it's going to be huge, guys. Huge. A lot of companies, a lot of investors will know what they can do from there. That was the third. Fourth, central bank digital currencies. We talked about this already on this channel. The launch of central banks launching their own digital currency will further validate cryptocurrency in the movement and the digital need for digital assets. Now, they're bringing the same fiat currency problems to a digital format, so I don't think it solves a problem, and it will once again further validate the need for cryptocurrencies and digital assets. And it really, once again, it's just going to show people, wait a minute, money can be tokenized, right? Because central banks are doing it, and Bitcoin and XRP and Ethereum and all these things are tokenized on the blockchain. So I certainly believe this can be a catalyst for helping people to learn and understand. Same way Facebook Libra did, right? Facebook Libra really brought a lot of people into the conversation and the knowledge of, oh, wait a minute, we can have a stable coin, crypto, blah, 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 move money, tokenize. that I think this will have the same impact, right? And I just talked about it yesterday with China looking to be the first to launch the digital yuan. So big things ahead, guys. And last but not least, number 5 here, the continued launch of services from big money and big services like we saw TD Ameritrade, Fidelity Digital Assets, Grayscale, Bakkt, powered by the New York Stock Exchange parent company. As these companies continue to launch more services and more features, and they start getting more assets under management, and they're going to start a lot more aggressive marketing. What did we see from Grayscale this year? Drop gold, right? They started doing TV, video ads, all those things online, saying, hey, forget about gold, invest in crypto. So Grayscale was I think almost the first to go kind of national with it. We can expect to see more. Why? Because, for example, Bakkt is going to launch their consumer app in the first half of 2020, and they're partnered with Starbucks. What do you have to do next to drive demand? Marketing. And I believe they will market the app and the whole partnership with Starbucks, which is obviously a massive brand, and expect to see more. Maybe Fidelity does it, TD Ameritrade with RSX, and some other folks, Rakuten and many others, right? These established brands which have large consumer bases, and they can really start marketing, and they have the budgets to do it because they're big companies. And if we see Google and Amazon get into the game in some way, get ready, guys, get ready. We see Samsung, with adding the cryptocurrency wallet support on their phones. So a lot of big things are going to come. And this is why, guys, I'm so bullish on 2020. I can't give any price predictions because we can't predict the future, but I'm going off of the facts of right now, the information that I have right now, which we all have access to. And I hope you guys see the facts that I've shared here. Bitcoin halving. We are certainly I believe in a bull market. The market follows Bitcoin. So as Bitcoin moves at the moment, I expect to see the market move with it. Cryptocurrency, robust cryptocurrency regulations, right around the corner. Central banks getting ready, seeing the disruption that is happening to them and near them, and trying to get ahead of it. And as they launch, further validates crypto and more marketing from these big players and launching of new services. So guys, what do you think? I would love to hear your thoughts. Did I miss something here? What do you guys think? Leave your thoughts and comments below. Let's have a conversation around it. Are you bullish? Are you bearish? Leave your thoughts and comments below, and we can talk about it, guys. Thank you for your support. Don't forget to like and also subscribe if you're not subscribed yet. And please share this video if you found it helpful. Happy New Year, and I'll talk to you guys later.